Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vlada. Today I'm going to show you different ways that you can achieve a pink pout. Depending on what you have in your kitchen, I'm sure you'll be able to use one of these methods to get pretty pink lips. Honey is an amazing natural ingredient which can be used to treat dark lips. Not only does it lighten your lips, but it also makes them super soft. Apply honey onto your lips and leave it on overnight. Continue this practice for a couple of weeks and you'll notice a serious change in your lip color. Lemon juice is known to be a bleaching agent and it acts as an effective remedy to treat dark lips. Apply freshly squeezed lemon juice to your lips and massage them gently. Follow this ritual every night before bed for optimum results. Sugar scrubs are a great way to exfoliate the lips, and it also helps to get rid of unwanted dead skin. Take 3 spoons of sugar and mix it in with 2 spoons of butter to make a thick paste. Use this mixture on your lips to exfoliate them. The added butter moisturizes your lips. Like your skin, your lips also need to be exfoliated regularly. Try this scrub 2 to 3 times a week for lighter lips. Beetroot. This deep purple ingredient helps to cleanse and lighten the lips. Beetroot juice has natural agents which lighten the lips. Use its juice on your lips for effective results. Ice cubes are a quite simple method of making your lips look rosy and fresh. Rubbing ice on your lips also helps retain moisture, as it not only hydrates your lips, but also makes them plump. Be sure to let me know down in the comments if you decide to try any of these beauty hacks for yourself. Also, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye!